I'm not sure if this is recording. It's all in Chinese, so it's hard. Well, a year and a bit, and that's what I've managed to achieve. Which is not much really when they're both not finished.
Emma texts says I've done all my shopping online because I live in Cornwall. We've got very few of the normal high street shops here.
But I'm quite happy with MG, as it's my first paint job. So it doesn't look bad. I'm happy.
So I can't afford not to buy it online. And my worry is that because of this, people working in high street stores will be put out.
Nice car.
Diane Grigsby is in Newport, Shropshire. Hello, Diane.
Yeah, nice car. Both nice cars.
Every moment of the way, definitely.
I must say, I was out at the shopping centre at the weekend. The crush was unbelievable. It's only December the 7th.
Yeah. Anyway. You know, say if the first don't succeed, try again.
You know, when you don't want to be dragging him around the shop. Not the best